Management process. This is the third part of management process. In this video, we will explain the administration and management, and after this, scientific management by F.W. Taylor. M- Administration and management. Management is the key function in any organization. It is the function of working with people and coordinating their efforts so as to accomplish the objectives of the organization. Every institution requires making of decisions, handling people, evaluating their performance, and achieve the objectives. Definition of administration. According to Newman, administration means guidance, leadership, and control of the efforts of the groups towards some common goal. Administration lays down the fundamental framework of an organization, within which the management of the organization functions. Administration is concerned with laying down of policies and determining goals, while management is concerned with implementation of the policies for achievement of goals. Every manager spends a part of his time in performing administration function and remaining in management function. As shown in the figure above, top-level management devotes more time to administration function and less time to managerial function. But as we move down the hierarchy, lower function managers spend more time in implementation of policies, that is management, rather than framing the policies and procedures, that is administration. Difference between management and administration. Management means getting the work done through and with others. Administration is concerned with formulation of objectives, plans, policies of the organization. Management is relevant at middle and lower level management, whereas administration is relevant at top level management. Management requires technical and human skills, while administration requires conceptual and human skills. Management is an executive function. Administration is a decision making function. Management is applicable to business concerned, that is profit making organization. Administration is applicable to non business concerned, that is clubs, schools, hospitals. Management decides who should do it and how it is to be done, while administration decides what is to be done and when it is to be done. The decisions of management are influenced by opinions, values, and beliefs of managers, while the decisions of administrations are influenced by public opinion, government policies, and customs. Management is a doing function because managers get work done their subordinates, while administration is a thinking function because plans and policies are determined under it. Theoretically, both the terms are different, but when put into practice, the terms can be used interchangeably as all the levels of management are performing both administrative and functional activities. Scientific management by F.W. Taylor. Scientific management is a theory of management that analyzes and synthesizes workflows. Its main objective is improving economic efficiency, especially labor productivity. In 1909, Taylor published the Principles of Scientific Management. He proposed that by optimizing and simplifying jobs, productivity would increase. He also advanced the idea that workers and managers needed to cooperate with another. He believed that all workers were motivated by money, so he promoted the idea of a fair day's pay for a fair day's work. In other words, if a worker didn't achieve enough in a day, he didn't deserve to be paid as much as another worker who has highly productive. 4 principles of scientific management. Replace working by rule of thumb or simple habit and common sense and instead use the scientific method to study work and determine the most efficient way to perform a specific task. Rather than simplify assign workers to just any jobs, match workers to their jobs based on capability and motivation, and train them to work at maximum efficiency. Monitor worker performance and provide instruction and supervision to ensure that they are using the most efficient ways of working. Allocate the work between managers and workers so that the managers spend their time in planning and training, allowing the workers to perform their task efficiently. Thank you. Gracias.